Good morning, one and all. Welcome to my channel, Tech Listen. So today we'll discuss what is VLAN and how to configure VLAN and how to maintain the security by adapting to a VLAN. First of all, let me take a 2960 switch because I'm going to do a switching activity now. So 2960 switch and create a VLAN. Sorry. So first of all, go to switch and check the properties of the switch by going to the privileged mode, show VLAN brief. So if you apply that command, a default VLAN already present in the switch, that is nothing but number 1 VLAN, and all the interfaces are available to number 1 VLAN only. Now it's the time to create the VLANs. So to create the VLANs, we need to enter into configuration mode. Now we have to apply VLAN commands, VLAN 2. Now in this way I created one VLAN. So we can assign the names also to the VLAN, like I'm giving a name called branch 1. In the same way we can create one more VLAN, like we can create like 1024 standard VLANs and 4096 up to extended VLANs. Now we are creating a standard VLAN like 1024 we can give. VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 already created. Now you can check the status whether VLAN 2 and 3 are created or not. Like go to privileged mode and apply the command show VLAN brief. Now you will get this one. VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 got created. Okay. VLAN 2 name. The spelling I have given wrong. Right. Do show VLAN brief. Okay. Now VLAN 2 was created and VLAN 3 was created, but there is no active devices are present in the VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. So if you want, you can assign the devices to VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. So first of all, let me take some devices which are connected to my switch. So I am taking 3 ND devices, like one PC, one laptop, and other laptop, and one more desktop PC. Okay, 4 ND devices I have taken, and 4 ND devices I am going to connect to my switch fast Ethernet ports. Like 0 by 1 I connected my ND device 1, and 0 by 2 I'm going to connect to fast Ethernet 0 by 2. Sorry. Okay. And the next laptop I'm going to connect to fast Ethernet 0 by 3, and the next one I'm going to connect to fast Ethernet 0 by 4. Already 2 VLANs we created, that is VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Now I will create one more VLAN, like we have taken 4 interfaces. Let me take one more VLAN also. Okay, VLAN 4, and the name given to VLAN 4 is like branch 4. You can give. Okay, now exit. If you want, you can see the status. Do show VLAN brief. Now the 4th VLAN also created. Now it's the time to assign IP addresses to all the ND devices. Go to desktop, IP configuration. So 192.168.1.2 I am going to give, and the subnet mask is the class is subnet mask, the default subnet mask. And see here, you already know what is VLAN. Like VLAN is nothing but is a virtual LAN. We are going to create a separate LAN inside a physical switch. That is nothing but a virtual LAN we are creating inside the physical switch. So that's why it is called as a virtual LAN. So that's what I'm going to assign a different family of IP address to each and every end device, and go to desktop and other like 192.168.2.2, like it is 192.2.2 family, and go to other switch, go to IP configuration 192.168.2 dot, sorry, 3.2, and the subnet mask. In the same way, go to the fourth system and the IP configuration 192.168.4.2. So like that, I successfully assigned the IP addresses to each and every end device. Okay. Now, if you check the connectivity between all the systems, the connectivity can be failed. See, send the packet from PC0 to laptop 1, because those two are sitting under the different VLAN, so that's why the communication was failed. Now the turn is, we successfully created the VLAN as we discussed. Like that, the video is all about how to create the VLANs and how to provide the security between the different VLANs which are present in, so different networks which are present in the physical switch. Okay, now you check again. Okay, go to switch. It's a turn to assign all the interfaces to VLANs, like interface, fast Ethernet 0/2, switch port, mode, access, interface, sorry, switch port, access, VLAN 2, interface, FA 0/3. In the same way, I'm going to fast Ethernet 0/3 and convert that port to access port by giving the command switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 3. Same way the other port, like interface, FA 0/4, switch port mode access. Now we successfully created all the interfaces like switch port access VLAN 4. Now you can check the status, do show VLAN brief. Now FA 0/1 is sitting under VLAN 1, 2 is under branch, 3 is under VLAN 3, and 4 is under another branch. Like different VLANs, different end devices we connected. Okay, now let us suppose all the interfaces, all the end devices which are connected to my switch and the configurations are all completed. Now let us suppose it contains only 4 ports. Now we utilized 4 ports to 4 different end devices, and the 4 end devices are sitting under the same switch and belongs to different VLANs. Now if we check the connectivity is also failed. Previously only we checked. Now it's a turn to enhance or scale our network. How to scale the networks means, so take an end device, take a network device of same type, okay, and put a switch over here. Okay, the remaining part will be discussed in the next video. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.